Hey guys, this is John. This is my 2013 Jetta. I recently had to do some changes to the sunroof, and I had some problems with the shade. And I'm gonna show you how you can fix that and how to look at it.
Finished. Alright, so I have here a 2013 Jetta wagon with the moonroof, and the shade is having some problems. It needs a reset, and to do that you're gonna have to access the rear motor that accesses the shade. You have to take half the headliner off. You have to take some handles and some pillar plastics off to be able to take half the headliner off. And the procedure for that is, once you get to this step, you're gonna have to put the shade as close as possible to the closed position without it going back. See? You're gonna have to put it as close as you can. Now what you need to do is you're gonna have to take the motor off.
So this is John. That was my brother Daniel. So here we got to take this motor off here. Where is it? This guy. We got to take it off. And
this motor is what controls the sunshade. It's located in the back. Once you get to this step, you can just leave it hanging, but make sure it's plugged in. You're gonna go to the front, and now you're gonna go through the sequence. You're gonna put it so it goes all the way back, but the shade is not moving. You can hear the motor moving. Let it do its thing, and now that it's all the way back, you put it back to the front, so it thinks that the shade is closing to the correct position. Okay, now that the motor has reached its end point, you can go ahead and put back the motor in its place.
Okay, here we go, guys. It's going back in. All you have to do is just push it in there, wiggle it a little bit until it goes in, and you're fine. It'll take you maybe 5 minutes to just mess with this. It takes you a little longer for the headliner to take off and then put back, other than messing with the motor. Make sure they're all locked, and you're good to go.
Okay, once you get to this step, you can go ahead and test, see if everything works. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the open position all the way. Okay, you can see it closed properly all the way. Open, I mean. And now we can check if it closes properly. There you go. It's not opening anymore, it's fully closed on its own. Thanks for watching.